Hey, Brian down here at Mike's Off-Road. We got this Toyota Land Cruiser down here. He's got an ARB bumper up front, some PIA headlights for accessories so he can see more. We're adding a little bit more accessories to it for him so he can travel with a little bit more cargo, maybe put some skis up there or a kayak, maybe camping gear, whatever he needs to put up there. We also installed that PIA light on the front of it so he can see a little bit more at night. All right, let's take a little bit closer of a look at this roof rack and see what it's really made of. So up here in the factory mounts, you take the old roof rack off that comes from the factory and you can install these ones right into the mounts that the old one bolted into. So there's no need for drilling holes in the roof, no need to damage anything, it just bolts right in. Takes a little bit to install one of these. They are separate, these slide back and forth so it's adjustable. You do have to tighten down each one, so it does take a little bit to install. With all accessories, you can never have enough light, so we put this PIA light up here for him so he can see a little bit more at night. So speaking of lighting, we also installed some lights in the back of his car here so he can see a little bit more at night. It's a little rigid 1-inch light square. It's pretty bright. Got a little switch here so he can turn it on or off. The lights in here aren't super bright. Any accessories you need, just come on down to Mike's Off-Road and we get you set up.